I didn't realize that that Excel document that we've been using was for the 2 proportions too, and so I kept opening it, like the one from the lesson reading, and it was like for 1 proportions, and I was like, what is this?
I know. Well, I tried combining them. I thought, well, maybe you're supposed to like add them together. And I was like, okay, this is not the right answer.
Same.
So it wasn't until I looked at the bottom of the page and I was like, oh, look, there's different files. How cute.
Yeah. I had to I think I looked at some instructions for it and it said the tab and I was like, oh, okay. Because last night I tried doing the Z-score, but I didn't know that we had that document. And so I wrote it all out and I got it wrong. And then, yeah.
Well, there's a lot of numbers to plug in there.
Yeah. Well, and then you can't just not round them because then you'd have giant numbers.
Yeah, that's true. True. All right, she said that she's getting on iLearn, and I think she's going to call us after that.
Okay.
So did you get any feedback yet from Brother Milner?
Just on the grading thing, I can read it to you real quick. We got 100% on it though. So that was good.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
He said, let me go find it. He just commented, and it might be in your guys's too, but he just commented next to the grade and he said, very interesting study. I look forward to how you will do this. Just keep in mind that if you gather data of more than 30, use what you have in the analysis. So I guess he wants us to use all the data that we get.
He wants us to use all of it instead of
just 30, I guess.
Instead of just 30.
Or at least for the analysis is what he said. I don't know.
Okay.
But I said 10 out of 10, so that was good.
That's great. We'll take it.
I didn't get to make everybody's corrections, but I don't know. He said it was fine, so.
Okay. All right, we do still have to submit our survey to the school though, right? Isn't there a link on there that said that on that assignment that said after we got it approved by the teacher, we had to get it approved by the university?
Oh, okay. Yeah, Brother Milner, is it Milner?
Yes.
Yeah, he hasn't sent me anything with his signature, but I don't know if I have to wait for that or not.
No, I don't think so. I think if we've gotten 100% on it, we're probably okay to move forward. I think we just have to submit our. We just have to.
Okay.
Do you want me to look into that and see what we have to do?
No, it's okay. I can try and I'm opening up my thing right now, and then I'll see what it says. You did a lot for that thing, though. I felt bad. I was like, dang, we should have had Katie do this, and I could have done everything.
No, it's all right.
I didn't realize how much you had done.
I felt like I had everybody's information because everybody had sent me the emails and stuff like that, and we had already. I don't know. Okay, here's Jennifer.
But I tried to write it up, and then if I had questions, I would look.
Okay, can you guys hear Jennifer at all?
Hey guys.
Hi. Okay, yeah. They can hear you.
Sorry about that. My computer
Okay.
Okay, I'm logging in right now. Are you guys still going over the homework?
Yeah, we haven't started going over the homework yet. All right. Well, thank you. Thanks for doing that, Sarah, and for submitting it and all that.
Yeah, thanks for your help. If you need help with your part, let me know because I feel like you did a lot. So.
All right, I'll let you know. I guess when we get to the submitting the data part, we'll figure it out, huh? So now I'm curious because to see if it shows up in our showed up on our grades.
Do you know how to check the grades?
Yeah,
on
I
there?
do.
Okay.
Let me just.
So I don't know why I didn't ask this before, but are we all supposed to submit everything, or is it just one person per group, or how does that work?
The only thing that everybody has to submit is for the collect the data part, because we all have to submit our own data that we collected.
Okay.
And then other than that, only the person who did it has to submit it.
Got it.
Oh, yep. Yep, we got.
Does it say the same thing?
Let's see. It doesn't. Whoa, what happened? It doesn't show any. It doesn't. I don't have any feedback on mine.
Oh, okay. What do we want to title our project? Is it just as? Because so I'm looking at the form that I have to fill out for the university. Says what is the title of the project? So I don't know if that's like what we want to title our study, or if that's just the maybe it's the project for the class. I realized.
Oh, maybe.
Should I do like final research project, map 221C?
Sure.
Okay.
Sounds good to me.
Right.
Can you hear them, Jennifer?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, I think parts of it are worth more. I think the PowerPoint is worth 25. But
No pressure, right?
right, no pressure, guys. But I think for the PowerPoint, you just have to use all the information that we've already like put together. You know.
Yeah, and plug it in. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right.
So my 13-year-old, because I have a 12-year-old. My other daughter's turning 12 in 2 days. My 13-year-old is putting together this PowerPoint for Young Women's, because they have Young Women in Excellence tomorrow night.
Oh, yeah.
And so she's been doing all these pictures and stuff, and she just barely got the pictures on Sunday. So she and her friend were working on it yesterday. And I go over there, and they're doing all sorts of crazy stuff where they're downloading these pictures and rotating them and adding in fades and doing all sorts of, and I'm just like, I should have had you doing my assignments. I don't know how to do any of this stuff. She's like, and I figured out how to put 3 pictures in here instead of just 2, Mom. I'm just like, oh, good. I'm so glad. The 13-year-old knows how to do all this stuff. I have no clue.
Right.
Yeah.
That's
crazy.
When I was in high school, I was part of like it's called Orco Core, so it was like technology kind of focused with some stuff, and so I learned quite a bit about technology when I was in high school.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah, that's super cool.
All right, well, should we start looking at our assignment?
Yeah, we can do that.
Sounds good.
So just start with part 2 with number 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can do that, right?
Yeah. All right, Jennifer, do you want to start?
So, equals P1 equals to P2.
Uh-huh.
And then for the second one, I wrote P1 is not equal to P2.
Yeah, that's what I got too. Did you guys hear that?
No.
Barely, not really.
Okay. Actually, so did you do? So it should be like P hat 1 instead of just P, because we're not looking for the true proportion. We're looking for the sample proportions.
The sample proportion.
The sample proportions, yeah. So it's P hat 1. So for the null hypothesis, it's P hat 1 is equal to P hat 2, and the alternative hypothesis is P hat 1 is not equal to P hat 2.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's for B. But what did you get for A, Jennifer?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so done.
You're right.
So,
Uh huh.
I got 63. I got 10. And then 27. And 233.
Okay.
Formulas.
Right, because you did the formulas. Very
The
good.
one minus, yeah.
That's good for you. I just put yes. That was good. No, that was good that you like actually did all the numbers out and all that. All right, so did you guys get that?
Yeah.
I couldn't hear her, but I was able to do the problem. So.
Okay. All right, so Sarah, do you want to do C and D for this one?
So for C, I got 3.309.
That's what I got.
But it took me forever to get that because I thought I had to write it out. And then for D, I got 0.001. So everyone knows that you can use the Excel document, right?
Yeah.
I just want everyone knows.
Yeah, Jennifer, did you use the Excel document?
Yeah, it was so helpful.
Yeah, seriously.
And then did
Super
Jesse?
easy.
You didn't have to do it by hand. You could just type it in.
I
Yeah.
heard you, Sarah, and honestly, I didn't get around to the homework.
Okay.
Yeah, but Katie was telling me that you guys were using the same Excel program as last week's. Because I
Yeah.
thought you had to use the SPSS, because as I was reading the lesson, it kept mentioning the SPSS. But
You
Katie
used
told me
it for
that.
like some graphs and stuff, but for
Yeah.
the Excel document, you could get quite a bit from it.
Yeah.
So it's really helpful. That's why I want to make sure everyone knew.
Yeah.
No, super helpful.
Yeah, no, it does help.
Makes it so much easier.
Right.
Okay, so for F, I got reject the null. And then for G, there is sufficient evidence to suggest that the proportion of women who use labels is different than the proportion of men. Is that about what you guys got?
Yeah. For E, did you guys just like use the probability applet and just kind of? Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't want to draw it. I didn't.
Yeah, no, I didn't. I just. Yeah, I just looked it up. I didn't try to copy or paste it or anything. I was just like, okay, there it is. I'm like, because you guys aren't seeing it. The teacher's not seeing it.
Yeah.
I know how to get it.
Yeah.
Okay, so, all right, Jennifer, you want to do number 5?
Sure. For number 5, I got 0.045, 0.165.
Okay.
Sounds good.
So I got 0.166 for the top.
That's what I got too, but his thing said 5. I think it just probably depended on how it rounded it, maybe.
Maybe so.
You know.
Okay. Yeah,
I don't know.
probably close enough.
I just tried to do it,
Yeah. Okay, and then Sarah, do you want to answer number 6?
Yeah, we are 95% confident that the true difference in the proportions of men and women being label users is between 0.045 and 0.166.
Sounds good. Sounds awesome. All right, let's go do our quiz.
We have our test next week, don't we?
Yeah, we do have a test next week.
Oh gosh, why?
Which is crazy because it's Thanksgiving, but at least we only have one group meeting next week.
What day is it? Tuesday?
Tuesday, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. I don't even. Yeah, that was a silly question.
We should protest
We have
and
to
be
meet on
like,
Thanksgiving.
no.
Yeah.
You have to halt your family's plan so that we can meet precisely at noon. Mm-hmm. Yes, we're there. Or I'm there. Are you guys there?
Yeah. Oh, she stopped the broadcast. I don't know if it already did. But.
Oh, do you guys want me to stop it?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, go ahead and stop it.
Okay.